My name is I Gede Ari Wijaya. I'm the chef at Café del Mar Bali.
When did you first discover you had a passion for cooking?
Actually, that day when we have a family gathering at home, my mother asking me to cook some food. Just automatically, I cook the food, some dishes, and it was good. Everybody was happy.
Who or what has been your biggest influence and inspiration?
There are a lot of good chefs in Bali. I used to work with and do some collaboration before, like Chef Chris from Mosaic, Nick van der Blikken from Aperitif, Benjamin Cross and Steve Moore from Mason, and also my ex-chef before in Kudeta, Phil Davenport. From them, we learned a lot of technique, and also I have a good experience from them.
What are the most important factors or philosophies in your career and in the kitchen?
In the career, we believe that if we are doing something with heart, the result will be amazing. The same thing in the kitchen. If I'm doing the food with love and passion and also attention to details.
What are some of your most memorable experiences as a chef?
Yeah, I used to work in Kudeta for 6 years. There I'm learning with a lot of experienced chef, and also I'm doing some big event or small event in Bali or other places like China, Qatar, and also we're doing some collaboration with the other chef from well-known restaurant.
Can you elaborate more on your role at Café del Mar Bali?
So at Café del Mar, my responsible is to develop menu for Beach Club and Mer Restaurant, controlling the good quality of the food, and then make sure the cost is in the proper ways. Also, I have to maintain all of the staff and giving the trainings for them.
Mer Restaurant opened recently. How would you describe the restaurant to those who haven't been there?
So at Mer, we have 3 kinds of menu. They are seafood Mediterranean, Western food, and Asian food. So the guests can easily to find what they like to have for dine-in.
What's the signature dish at Mer Restaurant?
And the favorite dishes is lobster, which is served with lapneh and harissa. At Café del Mar, also we have our host baked sourdough, which is the starter already 6 years old until now. So we are keep using this one for our welcome bread.
Going forward, what are your goals for this venue?
So Café del Mar can be a must destination to visit in Bali for enjoying the sunset, hang out with the good food, good cocktails, and good music.
What tips do you want to give to anyone looking to break into the culinary industry?
You need to follow your heart, keep a good mind and spirit, keep motivated, and always believe yourself and keep confidence.